When it comes to health, what is important is those small, tiny steps that you take consistently and in spite of any obstacles in your life. When you make things happen for yourself, that's when you are physically and mentally and healthy in every possible way. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here, speaking from my clinic called Saukhyam. The mission of Saukhyam is well-being of all. When I say well-being, it doesn't mean that we are speaking only about illnesses and health. We speak about health in totality. We speak about health which is mentally healthy also, and where you experience joy and blissfulness in life in a complete way. So let's understand the importance of those small steps that you can take instead of the bigger step which means challenges in your daily life. In your daily routine life, there are some routines and habits that are already set in your life. If they are actually helping you, or rather, they did help you, hence you are here today and you're listening to me. But those sometimes cause so many obstacles in terms of not able to function in the optimum way, because those habit patterns helped you in the past. As you progressed, the growth challenges and the challenges of life wants you to grow. Hence, it's important that now you take the next level steps. Now we were in first standard, we are in now second standard. So let's take the steps of the second standard. Hence, with every passing day, with every challenges that you face in your life, as you grow ahead, your growth is also important. So health is all about taking steps towards your improvement according to the circumstances and environment you are in, and the changing environment is demanding from you to grow, and hence the growth is the reward point of all the steps that you're going to take. So, what I'm telling you is, even if you want to make a change in the diet, or if you want to start your exercise in a big way, you don't concentrate on, I have to change so much in my life. I mean, I have to do 1 hour walking, or I have to change the complete diet of my lunch and dinner, and it will be so difficult with the people around me and their demands to be different. How do I cook only for myself, or how do I tell my wife to cook only for me a different diet? So instead of focusing on a bigger change, let's focus on the smaller ones. So break those bigger challenges and bigger change into smaller change. What can I do daily? How do I make a bigger, instead of a bigger change in my life, a smaller achievable change in my life? And how do I build small habits which are going to make me go towards the next level? So, for example, if I take a change in my diet, how do I add protein in my diet? So, in my breakfast, can I add peanuts over the upma? Okay, or in my lunch, can I tell a pulse one veggie to be pulses, or can I add dals every day in my diet? If you're a non-vegetarian, then can I take eggs every day in my diet? If you are a vegetarian, can I put paneer on my salads? Can I eat 50% of my food raw food? So can I add more salads in my diet? So you make one small tiny change every day, or rather keep it a target of only a month. What change can I make today and make it more delicious? How can I add something of a fiber in my diet? So probably a juice made up of apple can help. So nutritional plan is always different from every individual according to their body type, according to the illnesses if they are facing any, according to their lifestyle. But lifestyle change every day, if you take a small step and change your lifestyle, is for life. According to the environment we are living in today, and the challenges in terms of pollutions and the junk foods available all over, the Swiggy being on your fingertips and you can order anything from anywhere in the world, it becomes sometimes very difficult to focus on something which is more nutritious. But keeping this body intact in a healthier way requires you to put nutrition in your body. Hence, I'm not giving you any diet changes today, but I'm telling you how important is small steps every day. And then then once you get habituated to that small step, how important it is to move from that step to a higher step. Sometimes we get comfortable in that small step. Like I start walking for a half an hour, I'm so happy that I'm doing it and I'm doing an exercise in a day. But that may be just building your stamina and endurance. What about your flexibility? What about making yourself more energetic? So, are you taking a step forward? That is also important. So, if I have to reach a pose of yoga, suppose, which is like twisted and turned, I may not be able to reach it today, but 1 year down the line, I am planning to reach there. So, am I doing every day a pose, exercise that can make me reach there? Remember this. Like, am I making my thighs more stronger? Am I making my hamstring more stronger? Am I keeping my biceps very good? So am I eating like that? Am I able to do exercise today better? What kind of food did I eat yesterday? And it's not important that you worry about food. What's important is that you notice and observe yourself without getting any worrisome thought there. I mean, it's okay. What's important is you see what is helping you to reach your goal and what is not helping you to reach your goal, and eliminate that which is not helping you to reach your goal. Eliminating food is not an answer to all this, because your body needs to digest everything and body should know to digest everything, then it is healthy. What's important is what is coming in the way and how do I eliminate that and replace it with a healthier option and build my body. I am here today to tell you only one thing, that you make progress daily, build habits which are going to help you improve on where you are, build sustainable habit patterns. And once you build sustainable growth habit patterns, how do you improve your discipline towards it? I mean, are you able to do it every day and build a discipline around it so that you are consistently doing it? Also, that will reduce your procrastination to next day because you are doing it today and now. And that will help you to celebrate your progress also. Build your habits in a way that can help you to become a better version of you tomorrow. That doesn't mean you're not better today. It only means I'm in first standard today and I want to reach 10th standard in 1 year's time. That's all it means. I'm not comparing like somebody's coming first in 10 days and I'm taking 1 year to reach. I'm not comparing my progress like that. But I'm seeing that when I reach my goal of a healthier body and a healthier mind, I am reaching with freedom. I am not exhausting myself and I'm not boring myself. I'm not getting tired thinking how difficult it is for me. But I'm reaching with lot of freedom because I am doing it daily and I'm doing it in an achievable form, and I'm doing it with lot of love for myself, with an intention to be a better version for myself and for my loved ones, and influence the environment from within, and not get bogged down by the environment because my body is feeling tired and I'm not feeling up to it, I'm feeling exhausted. This is when the whole control goes to the environment, and hence it's important that you build yourself daily, every day, consistently, persistently, and don't give up on yourself. I am telling this again and again because I want you to memorize this or remember it whenever you remember me. So, start from today building those small tiny habits and moving forward every day. Reach where you want to reach rather than thinking, अरे यार मैं ये नहीं कर सकती because I have so much issues. Issues are with everyone, and I'm not saying your issues are not smaller or anything. I'm just saying building a habit to overcome the challenges gives you an opportunity to grow further from where you are. And growth is inevitable. If you don't grow in the direction which you want, you will grow in some other direction which you don't want. So if you want to avoid all that, know where you want to reach and start moving towards it daily, step by step. It's okay if you move in the speed of tortoise, but move every day. You will reach your goal. Hope you love this video And do write in the comment section whether I added any value to your life today. Thank you for watching me and stay tuned. See you again.